Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to add Google reviews to your website on Webflow, and you don't need any specific skills to do it. We're using Elfsight for this tutorial. First, head over to elfsight.com and select the Google Reviews widget from the menu list. Click Create Widget or find the direct link in the video description. Now, let's create your widget. Choose a template that fits your needs, then click Continue with this template. To display your Google reviews on your website, simply enter your business name, address, including city, street, zip code, and place, and after you do that, click Apply to proceed. Great, your widget is ready. You can further customize its layout, size, colors, and fonts in the Settings tab. To add the widget, click Join to install, sign up or log into Elfsight app. It's free and requires no credit card. Once logged in, you'll see the widget you've created. Click Save. Next, select your subscription plan. You can start with Lite, which is free. After you do that, click on the code to copy it, then navigate to your website's admin panel, choose Relevant Website, and click Add Elements. Drag and drop the embed element to where you want the widget to appear. Paste the installation code into this block and click Save and Close. For a polished look, consider adding 20 pixels of the margin to visually separate the widget from the rest of your content. Once satisfied, publish the changes and go to the page to see your widget in action. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.